said that you wanted to get video.
Hey. I feel love.
Guys, if you have any...
Where's he going? Where's he off to? Bye, Chris. See ya. Good morning. I did not sleep great last night. One of the problems with Alaska is that it's sunny pretty much all day. There's no dark points during the night, so like 11 o'clock last night when we wanted to go to sleep, it was still sunny outside. It was still light, it was still bright, it was very hard to sleep. I'd forgotten an eye mask. God, just really difficult. And I now have a record of 20 mosquito bites on my body. Despite the fact that I've been spraying my body from head to toe in DEET, I'm still getting bitten. And they're really itchy as well. However, they're not as big as they usually are when I go to America. Today we're heading to Alaska Range, where we're going to the McLaren Lodge, and we're going to do some canoeing. So bit of a drive day, but it's going to be totally worth it when we get there. The group, we've just stopped to take one last look of the Denali Mountain. We were told that only 1 in 3 tourists that come here get to see the top of the Denali Mountain. We've seen it every single day so far, so we're very lucky. 4 out of 4 days. Just lucky. What a group, eh? Lodges. They are 2 to a room today, but you could fit 4 people in them. We are door number 5 today. We've got 2 lovely big beds. We've just dumped all our stuff everywhere already. We have a sink, we have a shower, we have a toilet that's not just a hole in the ground, which is great. And the best part about this whole lodge is this view at my back. Awesome! Need to test the bed. Oh! It's alright actually. No. No, it's been longer than 5 seconds, it's not okay. Oh, me. This is the easiest way. Nope. That went up to my knee. It did! It did! Should I get a video of it? No, we don't need visual evidence of this one. We really don't. Oh my god, it's so deep!
And then your other option is hot cocoa.
Sophisticated hiker.
What a spot for it, though, eh? I like to have take my time up there.
Are you sure? Are you steady? Yeah. Oh God. Oh God, I'm really scared. Please don't dunk me in, whatever you do. Thank you. My hero.
Guys, stay to the bank.
Stay on the right.
You want to go? You want to go that way?
You're gonna get stranded.
Turn.
You gotta go right. Paddle hard left. Hard on the left side of the boat. Marty, other way. Paddle the other way. Jesus.
Right side pedaling. Left a bit, left a bit, left a bit. No, I mean go right. So, sorry, when I say left I mean paddle on the left side.
You're talking dyslexic to me now.
We'll change it, so go right, I'll say go right. Sorry,
Do you want to go all left or right?
Yeah, okay, so go left, go right.
Yeah. Okay. Beaver, 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 beaver. Right. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock.
Oh my God, I
Oh, nice.
Go left,
Kim, you both still married?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Lucky you guys! Yes! See, she shocks me every day, honest to God. Yes, guys!
Made it. That was scorchy.
How'd you do it so fast?
So quickly!
Was she paddling the whole way?
She only stopped paddling when I told her to, so she was paddling.
Okay, bye.
Oh, she's full of energy!
My arms full of
Yeah, all the way. Come on.
That could have been
Never
super
trust the
interesting.
Garbo. Never trust the Garbo.
Oh my God.
I would have deserved it.
I would love to.
So we've just had some barbecue, some beers, played some pool. I won, obviously. Now we're going to go sleep in our lovely cabins. This is going to be the only night of the tour where we have have a bed other than beginning and the start and end hotels. So I'm really looking forward to going to sleep in this amazing bed, and then some great views tomorrow. But yeah, we've got a long drive day tomorrow, so it's van appreciation day tomorrow. Good old van appreciation day. I think it's like 8 hours driving tomorrow. It's the longest drive of the whole trip. But yeah, good day today. I feel like I did well on that hike today. I didn't think I would make it up that mountain hill thing, but oh, if I'd known there was going to be wine and cheese at the top, I probably would have got up there quicker. But yeah, night. See you tomorrow.